Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today we are going to be reviewing the ordinary niacinamide and zinc solution. So this is a 10% niacinamide and it also contains 1% zinc. So it says it's a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. So the first ingredient is water. It contains niacinamide. The next is niacinamide. It also contains, the zinc. It contains, those long scientific names. And it says it wasn't tested on animals. It's been tested on humans, and it is made in Canada. It says to apply to the entire face in the morning and evening before, you have your cream. So you're going to use it under your skin. Okay, it's going to be your skin serum before you put on your facial cream. Now, as you can see, this is a very thick liquid. It is very thick. And I must say, this is one of my favorite things from the ordinary. You can feel the effect the next day. If you put this on your skin, you can just see it for yourself. It does improves the texture of the skin, especially if you have uneven skin, if you have rough skin, if you have if the texture of your skin is poor. This improves the texture of your skin, and as they say, it gives you that glass skin. So that is it. As you can see, I have used quite an amount. And this is supposed to be used in the morning and in the evening, but I use it only in the mornings because I have other serums that I will have to use in the evening. And this is how I use it. After I wash my face and it's all clean, I just put some few drops on my face and just rub it on my face. Since it's so thick, just a little bit is going to go a very long way, and is kind of slippery, so it spreads easily on your skin and it absorbs easily. It does not leave your skin greasy. It leaves your skin very clean and smooth. It doesn't leave any grease on your skin. So if you have very oily skin, you can use this because it doesn't leave oils on your skin. So this is a great product, and I must say it really walks the talk. If you use it, you are gonna attest that you feel that smoothness, that tightness in your skin just the next morning, and that is a great thing. That is what everybody wants. So this product is really cool. I must say this is one of the best products from Ordinary, but strangely enough, this is one of the cheapest from their website. So you can check it out. It's so cool, and a little bottle can take you through 2 months or something. So I've been using this for about a month, and I've used just like a quarter. Does it do the job? I must say, the first time I applied this on my face, I was having second thoughts because I felt my eyes were a little bit irritated. Even though I didn't put it around my eye area, I have very, very sensitive eyes, and I felt that it was, a little bit irritated. So I was thinking, well, am I going to use it again or not? So the next day I did give it a try, and I didn't feel that, irritation on my eyes. So maybe it was just a coincidence. So is this a great product? Yes, it is, and I'm definitely going to get this again. I must say, this is one of my favorite products from The Ordinary, so I'm definitely gonna get it again. It's especially very good for those with oily skin. For basically every skin type. I just use it once a day, and I have seen improvement for myself. That is with the niacinamide 10% and the zinc 1% from The Ordinary. It claims to improve the texture of your skin, and yes, it is true. It walks the talk. Okay, guys, so let me know, have you tried it? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.